Hi, Michael. This is a video on alternative energy, including solar power and wind and whatever else. Help you understand it a little bit better. I don't know everything, but I do know some stuff. Uh, okay, a typical car battery is 85 amps. You have amps and voltage in an electric circuit. Okay, um, a battery has 85 amp hours at 12 volts. Okay. Ohm's law says that amps times voltage equals watts. Okay, Ohm's law says that amps times voltage equals watts. Okay, so if you take those 85 amps and you multiply it times the 12 volts in that car battery, you're going to get how many watts are in that car battery. Okay, so 85 amps times 12 volts comes out to 1020 watts or watt hours. Okay, so that means that your battery can run a device or a piece of equipment that consumes 1,000 watts for 1 hour. You can run something that consumes 1,000 watts for 1 hour because your battery contains 1,000 watt hours. Now, kilo is the prefix for 1,000. So if you take your 1,000 watts in that battery and you divide it by a kilo, 1,000, you're going to get kilowatts. So 1,000 divided by 1,000 divided by 1,000 watts divided by 1,000 watts, 1 kilo, comes out to 1 kilowatt. 1,000 divided by 1,000 is 1. So you have 1 kilowatt hour of juice in that battery. Okay, your hot water heater typically uses about 4,000 watts of electric consumption, and it runs for about 3 hours a day to keep that water hot all day long. So that's 4,000 watts times 3 hours a day. That's 12,000 watts per day. Okay, you divide that by your kilo to get kilowatts, and it comes out to 12,000 divided by 1,000 was 12,000. 12 kilowatts per day. That means your heater is running, consuming 12 kilowatts per day. Okay, and now you get into how many batteries do I need to run my heater if I'm consuming 12 kilowatts per day? Well, we know that your battery produces one kilowatt, 1 kilowatt hour, and so basically you just take your 12,000 watts and divide it by your 1 kilowatt in the battery, and you get 12 batteries. You're going to need 12 batteries fully charged to run your hot water heater for 3 hours. Then you get the next lesson would be something on what kind of charging, what kind of system, what do I need to charge these batteries to keep 12,000 watts in those batteries on a daily basis without running out of electricity. That would be the next lesson. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.